Hey there, and welcome to your grammar learning journey. If you've been wondering how English sentences work or why words are used in certain ways, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most basic and important topics in grammar parts of speech. Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. Imagine you're at a party. Everyone's playing a role, someone's telling jokes, someone's cooking snacks, someone's dancing, and someone's just quietly people watching. That's exactly how words work in a sentence. Every word has a role. That role is its part of speech. So, let's meet the 8 members of this word party, shall we? 1. Nouns, the names. These are the names of people, places, things, and even feelings. Examples: cat, teacher, India, love. My brother lives in Delhi. 2. Pronouns, the replacements. Instead of saying Rahul 10 times, we say he. That's a pronoun's job, replacing nouns. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. She loves to read. 3. Verbs, the doers. These are the action stars of your sentence, or they show a state of being. Examples: eat, jump, is, run, sleep. They are dancing. 4. Adjectives, the describers. Want to make your noun look better? Use adjectives. Examples: tall, blue, funny, old. He has a red car. 5. Adverbs, the extra details. Adverbs tell us how, when, or where something happens. Examples: quickly, often, very, outside. She speaks softly. 6. Prepositions, the connectors. They show where, when, or how things relate. Examples: in, on, at, under, beside. The phone is on the table. 7. Conjunctions, the joiners. They link ideas in parts of sentences. Examples: and, but, or, because, so. I wanted to go, but it was raining. 8. Interjections, the expressors. These are short words that show emotion, surprise, excitement, sadness, etc. Examples: wow, hey, oh, ouch. Ouch. That hurt. That's it, your complete team of parts of speech. Each one has a job, and when you use them right, your sentences become strong, clear, and powerful. So next time you read or write a sentence, try to notice which words are playing which roles. It's a fun way to improve your grammar without feeling bored or overwhelmed. Drop your sentence in the comments if you want me to check it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing, you're doing great. See you in the next video.